I'm Tim Whitley, MD of Applied Research and Adastral Park at BT, and I'm delighted to welcome you to our Tommy Flowers Network Conference on Smart Connected Manufacturing. We set up the Tommy Flowers Network to bring industry together with the new generation of our university's postgraduate researchers to understand the biggest challenges we're facing. Many of the devices, applications and services we rely on today and the technologies that underpin them were inconceivable to previous generations. What happens next will be driven by the next generation of researchers coming out of universities, and we need and hope that they get it right. We named the network after Tommy Flowers, the post office engineering researcher who invented Colossus, the world's first electronic programmable computer. Colossus was used by Alan Turing and the team at Bletchley Park to crack the Lorentz code and bring about the end of the Second World War. It was a great example of purposeful innovation, using the latest science with practical engineering know-how to solve real problems. High-value manufacturing is an important sector for the UK economy and therefore for the success of UK PLC. And I'm really excited by the part technology is playing and will continue to play in this, what we're calling the fourth industrial revolution. We're going to be hearing from some of the leaders in the industry about what they've done already, what they plan to do next, and what the key challenges are. And we're going to hear that it isn't just about one technology, but rather a powerful combination of connectivity, artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity that are all driving change and creating new possibilities. 5G connectivity brings higher bandwidth and allows many more devices to be connected. In fact, we expect most 5G connections to be to things rather than people's phones. It has lower latency or delay, which means that it brings new options for remote operation, control, and manipulation of equipment where timing is crucial. We've recently kicked off a trial in our labs of a new type of optical fibre, hollow core fibre. This fibre has a hollow air-filled centre that runs the entire length of the cable, and the light travels through that core rather than glass. This means we get potentially lower losses, lower latency, lower interference between different wavelength channels, and this opens up new possibilities for higher data rates, lower costs, and indeed things like quantum networking. Of course, it isn't just about connectivity. Using that network to collect, share, and process data is at the heart of smart manufacturing. Using the data to generate actionable insight to work smarter, whether that's better use of facilities, energy and materials, or more efficient processes, will all improve productivity, which has clear economic and environmental and societal benefits. Security and trust are the other key parts of this jigsaw. The potential implications of data being lost or data and systems being accessible to the wrong people are clear and serious. We need to be able to protect and secure both data and facilities. And we need to be able to trust the data we're using to make decisions, trust the sources of that data and its authenticity. To that end, we've recently worked with Toshiba on the first industrial deployment of a quantum secure network. That's a network that's using quantum key distribution, which exploits a fundamental law of physics and is essentially an unhackable way of sharing encryption keys on a single stream of photons, or particles of light, on a single optical fibre. We've done this between the National Composite Centre and the Centre for Modelling and Simulation in Bristol, using an ordinary optical fibre that was already in the ground. For industries where security is absolutely paramount, like high-value manufacturing, this is potentially a game changer. In some cases, making electronic data transfer a possibility because of the level of security offered. As a researcher, what's exciting for me, as you'll be hearing over the next 3 days, there are still some big technology problems for us to solve, and collaboration across the sector is needed to do that. So, enjoy the conference, and most importantly, do get involved in the discussion.